Okay, sir. Sir, can you type, please? Can you type? Only type, sir. Okay, sir. The answer is, when going to arrest a wanted person, I always take at least two officers with you for safety and support. No, sir, no, 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 no. Okay, sir. Okay, when read the passage is granted to the kidnappers, the first priority is to quick get to your vehicle and prepare for a 1080 and theating uh, or sitting too close to chase them. Okay, uh, when free passenger is granted to the kidnappers, the first priority is to quick get to your vehicle and prepare for a 1080 and theating a pursuit to chase them. Uh, during a stage, sir, during a stage situation, police will not do anything that can provoke the death of a hostage. Hostage taker is negotiators must both value the light secure of the hostage. A policeman can be taken hostage if gang members try, pretend to cooperate while calling backup, let them know it's against the rules, and if they insist, to end admin with help. When going for rides, don't park your SWAT trucks on the road. Park them and on the side, and if possible, use the truck for cover. During manhunt patrol, go to the city and check anyone's passport using the correct macros. Remember, you can ask for passport randomly dur- during these patrols. When conducting a manhunt, this is a macro to follow when approaching a civilian. Hello, ma'am, sir. I need to see your passport. We are finding a criminal and you match the description. Please cooperate with us. Uh, when you're at a crime scene, I'm sure you as a civilian present to leave as the area is unsafe. If they refuse, use the appropriate mark, arrest them, and charge with 1.7, 3.2, and any additional charge. Use this macro to ask the civilian to leave in the crime scene. This is a crime scene. Please go away from here. It is not safe zone. If you make an arrest and the suspect respond of or log out, open the ticket on Discord and report them. If you're unavailable to do that, send the body cam footage to LG DFGs for assistance. Okay. Taser can be used against a firearm when someone is firing at you. Return fire instead of using a taser. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Copy. Okay, sir. How it comply, sir? Okay, copy.